Does the Mail app on your iPhone and iPad keep crashing every time you try to open it or read an email? When a Mail app keeps crashing, you're cut off from important communication, can't respond to urgent messages, might miss critical updates completely. This issue can occur for several reasons, such as corrupted email data or attachment that can cause the app to freeze. In this video, I'll show you the proven fixes to stop the iCloud Mail app from crashing on your iPhone or iPad. And if you need more help, call us at the numbers on the screen for instant expert guidance. Let's begin now. Method 1. Delete the account and re-add it. For the first step, you should open the settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now, scroll again until you see the Mail option and then select it. Next, you need to tap on the Mail Accounts option. There, tap on your email account. After that, toggle off and on the Mail option. Also, click on the Delete Account option. Re-add your account and see if the problem has been resolved. If the first solution is unable to fix your iCloud Mail syncing problem, then continue with the next one. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if the issue is resolved using these solutions. Method 2. Make changes in iCloud Mail settings. Go to Settings and then choose the General option. Next, look for the Background App Refresh option and tap on it. Now, go through the list and toggle on the Mail option. After that, restart your iPhone and your mail crashing problem should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.